For over 70 years, the US dollar has stood as the backbone of the global financial system, a symbol of trust, stability, and American leadership. It was more than just a currency, it was a promise, a foundation upon which nations built their economies and secured their futures. This unique position allowed America to borrow cheaply, spend freely, and project its power and influence across the world. The dollar's reach extended into every corner of the globe, shaping trade, investment, and even geopolitics. But today, July 2nd, 2025, that once solid foundation is cracking. The dollar's dominance now faces its greatest challenge in generations, driven by deep political turmoil, soaring national debt, and a growing global pushback against US financial power. The world is questioning the very system it once relied on. Central banks from Beijing to Brasilia are slashing their dollar reserves, and major economies are increasingly trading in their own currencies. New alliances are forming, and old loyalties are fading. The dollar index's sharp decline signals not just fleeing confidence, but a growing distrust in America's long-term stability. The world is no longer willing to tie its fate to the US dollar, and the consequences are rippling through every market. This isn't just about economics, it's about lost faith. When trust in America's leadership erodes, the entire global system becomes vulnerable, exposing cracks that were once papered over by the dollar's strength. Countries are building lifeboats, preparing for a future where the dollar is no longer king. The implications are profound, not just for bankers and politicians, but for ordinary people everywhere whose savings, jobs, and daily lives are now at risk. The unraveling is happening faster than anyone predicted. The world is urgently searching for alternatives, and the era of unquestioned dollar supremacy may be ending before our eyes. The post-American world is no longer a distant possibility, it's arriving now, reshaping the future of money, power, and global order for generations to come. The Trump presidency marked a dramatic turning point in global perceptions of the US, sending shockwaves through international corridors of power. The America First doctrine shattered decades of predictable foreign policy, making the US seem like an unreliable and unpredictable partner to its closest allies and adversaries alike. International agreements were abruptly scrapped, long-standing alliances were questioned, and global markets were rattled by a series of erratic policy shifts that few could anticipate. The dollar, once a universal symbol of stability and trust, suddenly became subject to the unpredictable whims of political leadership in Washington. Foreign governments and investors realized, often with alarm, that their vast dollar holdings were at risk from the volatility of US decision-making and leadership changes. Even after Trump left office, the world hasn't forgotten how quickly US policy can pivot and how fragile the old sense of certainty has become. Now, allies and rivals alike are building financial systems and networks that are less dependent on American politics, seeking greater independence and security. The dollar's strength was always rooted in global trust in US governance and the belief that America would remain a steady hand. But that trust has been shaken, if not broken, and the world is now hedging its bets, diversifying reserves and exploring alternatives. Tying the global financial system to the politics of a single nation is now seen as a dangerous gamble, one that could have far-reaching consequences. As a result, fewer countries are willing to take that risk, and the world is quietly preparing for a future where the dollar is no longer the only game in town. The Trump administration's trade wars directly undermined the global trading system America built. Aggressive tariffs discouraged international commerce, reducing demand for the dollar. Businesses rerouted supply chains and sought ways to trade without using US currency. The trade wars accelerated the creation of non-dollar payment channels. America's reputation as a reliable business partner suffered. The dollar became a liability, not a convenience. In trying to protect domestic industries, the US weakened the very foundation of its currency's power. The world learned to operate and trade without the dollar. The Federal Reserve's independence was once the bedrock of dollar credibility, anchoring global confidence in the US financial system. Recent political attacks, especially under Trump, have shattered that long-standing norm. Public pressure on the Fed has introduced dangerous uncertainty into global markets, rattling investors worldwide. If the Fed can be bullied, can the world truly trust the dollar as a stable store of value? The perception of politicized monetary policy has made holding dollars feel riskier than ever before. Countries are now building their own financial systems to insulate themselves from U.S. political drama. The assault on the Fed's independence has eroded the very trust that made the dollar the world's currency. The consequences are long-lasting, far-reaching, and global. America's soaring national debt, now over $36 trillion, terrifies global investors. Decades of tax cuts and unchecked spending have pushed debt to unprecedented levels. Foreign investors, especially China and Japan, are quietly reducing their U.S. bond holdings. The fear America might inflate away its debt, destroying the dollar's value. Political gridlock in Washington signals no appetite for fiscal discipline. As demand for U.S. bonds wanes, interest rates rise, slowing the economy. The dollar's reputation as a safe asset is fading. Investors are diversifying into other currencies, gold, and hard assets. America's addiction to debt is undermining the dollar's global role. The world is questioning the long-term viability of the dollar as the anchor of the financial system. The risk of holding dollars is rising, and the world is taking notice. The U.S. has long used the dollar's dominance as a foreign policy weapon, imposing sanctions to cut off adversaries from the global economy. But overuse of sanctions has triggered a global backlash. Countries now see dependence on the dollar as a strategic vulnerability. The BRICS nations are building parallel financial systems, trading in local currencies and even discussing a new reserve currency. Russia and China have eliminated the dollar from their bilateral trade. India is settling oil trades in rupees. These are not symbolic moves, they're real steps to escape U.S. financial control. Every new sanction accelerates the search for alternatives. Even U.S. allies are diversifying reserves to protect themselves. The weaponization of the dollar may ultimately be what destroys its dominance. America's own policies have fueled the global revolt against the dollar. For decades, the dollar and U.S. treasuries were the world's safe haven, seen as the ultimate refuge in times of uncertainty and turmoil. In any crisis, global capital rushed to America, seeking stability and security in its financial markets and government bonds. But today, political instability, rising debt, and the use of finance as a geopolitical weapon have shattered that reputation, making investors question old assumptions. Now, central banks and investors are diversifying their reserves, moving into euros, Swiss francs, Chinese yuan, and especially gold, in search of new safe havens. Gold buying by central banks is at record highs, a clear hedge against dollar risk, and a signal of growing mistrust in the old system. The world is also turning to real estate and digital assets, like cryptocurrencies, as alternative stores of value and protection against inflation. The automatic rush to the dollar in times of crisis is no longer guaranteed, as confidence in its stability has been shaken. The diversification away from the dollar is a rational response to rising risks, as investors seek to protect their wealth in a changing world. The end of the dollar's safe haven status signals the close of its era of dominance and the beginning of a more complex global order. The world is building a multi-currency, multi-asset system for a new age, where power and influence are more widely distributed. The American basket is no longer the only option. Investors now have a wider array of choices than ever before. The global financial order is fundamentally changing, as new centers of power and innovation emerge across continents. The post-dollar world is already taking shape, ushering in a new era of opportunity and uncertainty for investors everywhere. The dollar's decline is the result of choices: trade wars, fiscal recklessness, and political interference. America took its currency's privilege for granted, assuming the world had no alternatives. Now, the world is creating those alternatives. A collapse in the dollar's status would end cheap borrowing, force painful fiscal choices, and diminish U.S. power abroad. The path ahead is a multipolar currency world with the dollar just one among many. This would mark the end of the American century and the stability it brought. Is it too late to save the dollar? Maybe not, but time is running out. It would require fiscal discipline, respect for independent institutions, and a cooperative foreign policy. The real question: does America have the political will to restore trust and credibility? The world is watching and preparing for a future beyond the dollar.